To the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a 3D cube in augmented reality using RealityKit for Flutter iOS application. So this is only iOS specific app. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here you can see it first asks you for camera permission. Once I allow it, it detects our real world environment, and as soon as that is detected it places a cube, and as you can see I'm able to move it, scale it, rotate it. So yeah, let's see how to do this. Firstly, you will this is my Flutter app, and here I have just refactored our home page widget. So it is a stateless widget. It takes the width and height. Here I have created one scaffold area, safe area, and size box. I'm passing the width and height as well, and here we are passing our custom widget, my AR view. So here I have created one file for it called my arview.dart. It is a stateless widget, and here we are passing this particular identifier. If platform is iOS, then we are just returning UIKit view of type myAR. This is that layout direction, creation param seasonal, and this is creation param codec. For all other platform I'm just displaying a placeholder, but you can do whatever you feel like. Then you will have to open the iOS folder inside Xcode. So that's what I have done. Make sure you at least update the deployment target of iOS to 13 over here, as well as over here as well. Then go to info.plist, and here I have added this NS camera usage description permission. Then inside app delegate, I have just written this boilerplate code. Every time you want to embed a native view for your Flutter project, so only this identifier should match what you have written over here. And here this is referencing our Swift file called my ARView native view factory. So I have created a Swift file called my ARView native view factory. Again, I have copy pasted all this code from the documentation. This is boilerplate code, so you don't have to worry about it. This will more or less remain the same. The only thing is here it references another Swift file called my ARView native view. So I have created that as well, which contains the actual implementation. So firstly you will have to add all these imports. Here it extends from NS object as well as Flutter platform view. This is our parent view, and here we are creating our AR view. So I'm initializing our parent view. Then inside here we are just overriding this method and returning our parent view, and in this method which is getting called over here, we are creating our AR view, then doing some NS layout constraints so that it occupies the entire width and height. Then we create a cube, we first have to create a mesh. So that's what I'm doing over here. And then this material is basically like what color you want the mesh to be or the cube to be. So I'm passing blue color. Then we create an entity with the help of this mesh as well as this material. Then I create an anchor entity, give it some name, add our cube entity to our anchor entity, and we add our anchor entity to our AR view scene. Then we generate the collision shape so that it looks real, that the cube looks real inside our 3D world. And here I have just added gestures for translation, rotation, and scale. So yeah, that's it. I think thank you for watching. Bye.